Hello everybody, this is Tom with HTCpedia, and I'm going to be doing a screen replacement on the HTC One X. As you remember, this is the One X that we shattered in the drop test. What I did already was I removed it from the outside. There are plenty of videos to show you to do that. It's not that difficult. The tool that comes with the screen just pries right in and pops it all up. You start from the bottom, you work your way around the side, you go around the other side, and it pops right out. Sometimes the battery is a little stuck with the glue over here, so make sure you pry that off before you pull it out. I know a lot of people have been having a little problem doing this, and that's why I'm making this video. Okay, first thing you're going to do is just remove some of these rubber pieces for later to put them back on, of course. Okay, so you're going to have to go around and disconnect some things. Of course, they give you some tools, nice little screwdriver. And here's that battery that everybody's talking about. Yay. This connection right here is actually for the screen. See, that pops right off. We're going to grab the Phillips head screwdriver. I'm going to start taking off the screws. Oh, there's the power button and the volume button. I already took out the SIM card tray. Alright, where's that first screw? Right over here. Let's take out this one. I'm using my SIM card tray to hold my screws. You guys can do whatever you want with them. Just make sure you keep them in one place so you can find them again. HTC did not make this an easy task, I'll tell you that right now. Okay, there's 5 screws so far. As you saw, they were here, 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 here. I removed this connection, and there's one more screw right here underneath a little void sticker, of course. No one knows of that one. Okay, now that that's off, this pops right off. There you go, look at the size of that battery, huh? It's nice and thin though. I'll tell you what, if you really have to do a battery replacement, it's not that difficult at all to pop this off of here, remove the battery, and place another one on. So if they do come out with an extended battery, it won't be that difficult to put it in. Put this on the side for now. Okay, now the key is to get this off through here. Okay, now let's figure out how to do that. Okay, so what you're going to have to do is start prying this up. From underneath to get to that screen. Just be careful you don't snap anything, because that would not be a good thing. There's an adhesive that goes around the entire thing that holds everything together, which you will be replacing later on. Okay, pulled this sticker up right here. I started to pry it up, and as you can see, it's starting to separate on the side here, which is exactly what you want to see. Just remember, you have connections here. You must make sure that you're clearing. Otherwise, you do force a tear. I'll tell you, you won't be able to fix that. Unless you work on motherboards and circuit boards. There we go. This side. That's going to fall through. Get some of this rubber cement. Tell you what, they really glue this thing on here. Well, I sure hope I remember how to put all this back together. There you go. The grand prize. This is what we were looking for, everybody. This is what we wanted to get to. Now, we're going to want to remove your actual LCD from the digitizer on the front here. Screen/digitizer. Okay, now figured out that I can use a small screwdriver or some kind of prying tool like the one that they supplied you. Remember not to pry so hard. This is a LCD screen that you're going to be using to pry off of to remove this damaged screen. Starting to come up. They really have this glued on here, everybody. I'm not even joking. Remember, you are dealing with broken glass here, so please be careful. I don't want to hear about anybody getting hurt. There it is. I mean, unfortunately, our LCD screen was damaged beyond repair, so I will be replacing that, but for the purpose of this video, I will be, showing you guys how to put it back on the new screen. So here is your new screen. This would get replaced just like that. And again, you would just start putting it all back together the way you took it apart. Remembering where everything went, of course. Now make sure you get rid of all the glue that was on there from the factory, and you use the adhesive that came with the new digitizer. You reapply the stickers. Oops, we forgot to fold this over. There we go. And send it through. You know, it would make sense if you videotaped yourself doing this. This way you remember where everything goes. Believe it or not, once you have everything in the right spot, it literally slides right into place. Now, I'm not going to be putting this back together fully, only because I have to keep it apart for when my LCD screen does come in. But remember, this piece would go right here. You would put back all 6 screws, folding over your new LCD, your new digitizer connection right here. Don't forget the connection that you had over here. Don't forget to put the rubber pieces back on, your front lens cover, your volume rocker, your power button, and of course the SIM tray would go by itself. But everything will go back together nice and easily. You'll have the brand new screen on the front. If you're changing the LCD, you already saw how you'd be doing that as well. This is a difficult process if you're not patient. A lot of people are having a hard time finding the void screw right here. You have to remove the sticker first to remove it. I am Tom Zarkadis with HTCpedia, and this was the screen replacement for the HTC One X. Thank you very much.